फरायसाफोर जोङो नैबे बिजाबखौनो फल' खालामगोन सानखान्थि 8 थाखोनि थाखाय बे बिजाबखौ दिहुनदों गुदि सोलोंथाइ बिफान आसाम सरकार दिनैनि आयदायानो जाहैबाय रानजोबथाय अनजिमा रेशनेल नाम्बार्स सनाफोरा बयबो आगोलाव एफा एफा मिथिखाबाय जानो हागौ मा रोखोमनि अनजिमाफोर दङ दानिया रेशनेल नाम्बारनि डेफिनिशनखौ एसे नायग्रोनि बेखेवथिनाया मा what is called a rational number नैबाव नायदो नैबे बेखौ नायदो नै बेखौ नाय जायफोर अनजिमाखौ p/q महराव लिरनो हायो जेराव p आरो q आ मोनसे रग' अनजिमा p आरो q आ मोनसे रग' अनजिमा आरो q is not equal to 0 q आ 0 जानो मोना दे बेफोर अनजिमाफोरखौनो रानजोबथाय अनजिमा एबा रेशनेल नाम्बार्स होननानै बुङो मोनसे साजेशन ओके नोंसोरो बयबो बावैसो उनाव गिदिर थाखोआव फरायहैगोन कलेजाव फरायहैगोन इउनिभारसिटियाव फरायगोन आरो माखासेफोरा इन्जिनियारिंबो फरायहैनो हागौ बै गोजौ थाखोआव नैबे इंराजि सोदोबफ्रा खामानियाव फैगोन गोबां खामानियाव फैगोन बेनिफ्रायनो दानिफ्रायनो बेफोर इंराजि सोदोबफोरखौ गोसोआव लाखिदे alright मा बुंदों जायखिजाया अनजिमा जायखौ जोङो p/q आव लिरनो हागोन बेनिफ्राय p आरो q आ रग' अनजिमा आरो मोनसे कन्डिशन दंबावो q is not equal to 0 गोसोआव लाखिदो बे मोननै कन्डिशन नैबे मोनसे कन्डिशन p आरो q आ रग' अनजिमा जाथारनांगौ दानिया नोंसोरो बयबो मिथिगौ what is a रग' अनजिमा रग' अनजिमा माने integers right integer रग' अनजिमा माने integer मारै integerआ माखौ बुङो हमनानै लादो नैबे मोनसे नम्बर लाइन राइट बे मोनसे नम्बर लाइन बेनिफ्राय गेजेराव जोंहा नैबे लाथिख' आगदाथिङावबो जोंहा नाम्बारफोर दङ जेरै 1 2 3 4 5 ओरैथिं जोबथा गैया जोबथानाय गैया बे जाहैबाय पजिटिभ नाम्बार्स बेबायदिनो आखिथिं नैबे 1 2 3 4 बे गासिबो नेगेटिभ नाम्बार्स नेगेटिभ नाम्बार्स alright बे गासिबो अनजिमाफोरखौनो रग' अनजिमा होनो राइट रग' अनजिमा नैबाव p and q नैबे p आरो q आ रग' अनजिमा जानांगौ अके बेखौ गोसोआव लाखि बेनिफ्राय q is not equal to 0 अके गोसोआव लाखि नैबाव जोंहा माखासे एग्जाम्पलफोर दङ बे एग्जाम्पलाव 3 11 19 minus 19 235 minus 51 गासैबो बिसोरो p बेनिफ्राय जोंहा गाहायाव दङ 4 minus 8 6 1106 193 बिसोर गासैबो q Alright. Tu와 ran 접타이 온지만 나누나. 5와 ran 접타이 온지만 나누나. 이제 산난이 나이데. 산난이 나이. What about 0? 0와 ran 접타이 온지만 나누나. What about 0.5? 0.6? 0.1, 2, 3? बिसोरलाय रानजोबथाय अनजिमा नंना नङा? एसे साननानै नायदे. मिथिनानै लानि फै. बेयो very good example. गासैबो रग' अनजिमाखौ जों p by q महराव लिरनो हायो. जेरै नैबिथिं नायदे. 6 खौ बेबायदिबो लिरनो हायो. How? Explanation. 6 can be written as 6 equal to 6 divided by 1, right? Because 6 को 1 जों divide खालामबा 6 आनो मोनो. Now this can be written as बेखौ आरो बेबायदि लिरनो हायो 6 into 2. बेबायदिनो गाहायावबो 1 दंमोन ना 1 into 2. गोजौआव जोङो 2 जों सानजाबदोंमोन ओंखायनो गाहायावबो 2 जों सानजाबबाय. Okay? Equal. Same सानजाबनाय अनजिमाखौनो गाहायावबो होनांगौ. गोजौ गाहाय एखे जानांगौ. Now this is equal to 12. 6 into 2, 12. 1 to 2, 2. Okay? We are getting this number. थिग बेबायदिनो 30 खौबो मोननो हायो जों. जेरै 1 into 5 गाहायावबो ओंखायनो 5 equal to 30 divided by 5. Okay? Alright? बेबायदिनो नैबेखौबो साननो हागोन. Minus 8 can be written as minus 8 divided by 1. जोंनि 24 नांगौ. 24 नांगौ 3 जों सानजाबनांगोन ना 3 जों. So minus 8 into 3. So 1 into 3 equal to minus 24. 3. Okay? जोङो जेजोंबो सानजाबनो हायो. जेनेबा बेखौ minus 8 into 1 into 5 into 5 equal to minus 40 divided by minus 5. Okay? Then is 0 को नहीं देने. 0 can be written as 0 equal to 0 divided by something. Or 0 divided by 21. Or 0 equal to 101. माने 0 को नोङो गासिबो अनजिमाजों divide खालामोबा 0 आनो मोनो. ओंखायनो 0 is also a rational number. Remember this. बेबो रानजोबथाय अनजिमा. Okay? 0आबो मोनसे रानजोबथाय अनजिमा. Okay? 0आबो मोनसे रानजोबथाय अनजिमा. Okay? So 2 आबो मोनसे रानजोबथाय अनजिमा, right? मानोना 2 can be written as 2 into 2, 1 into 2, right? So 4 divided by 2. Okay? 5 को जों मारै लिरनो? 5 divided by 1 equal to 5 into 5. 1 into 5 equal to 25 by 5. 5 over rogo onjima. Okay, remember that. Now 5 over run jepta onjima. Okay, 5 over run jepta onjima. नैबे बाथ्राखौ गोसोआव लाखिदे बेखायनो गासैबो रुगु अनजिमायानो रानजोबथाय अनजिमा. Okay, remember this line. बे बाथ्राखौ गोसोआव लाखि. Very important. एग्जामाव फैनो हागौ question. Okay, बेखायनो गासैबो रुगु अनजिमायानो रानजोबथाय अनजिमा. गोसोआव लाखिदे. आगोलाव थांबावनोसै दे. नैबेखौ नायदो नै. नोंसोरो बयबो नैबेखौ सावरायनानै नायदो लोगोफोर ज'नो. गासैबो रानजोबथाय अनजिमायानो रुगु अनजिमा. नैबाव ओंखारनाय दङ नै गासैबो रानजोबथाय अनजिमायानो बे उल्था सोंदों हे. आगोलाव दंमोन रुगु अनजिमायानो रानजोबथाय अनजिमा. दानिया गासैबो रानजोबथाय अनजिमायानो रुगु अनजिमा जायो ना जाया? जाया. मानो होनोबा 0.5 या रानजोबथाय अनजिमा, 0.6 आबो रानजोबथाय अनजिमा, 0.125 आबो रानजोबथाय अनजिमा. नाथाय बिसोरो रुगु अनजिमा नङा दे. गोसोआव दंना? बिसोरो रुगु अनजिमा नङा. ओंखायनो गासैबो रानजोबथाय अनजिमायानो रुगु अनजिमा जायो ना जाया? जाया. आन्सार इज जाया. जाया. ओके, गासैबो रानजोबथाय अनजिमाया रुगु अनजिमा नङा. गासैबो मिथिंगा अनजिमायानो रानजोबथाय अनजिमा जायो. येस. मानोना गासैबो मिथिंगा नेचारेल नाम्बार्स. माखौ होनो नेचारेल नाम्बार्स? 1, 2, 3, 4 blah 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 जोबथारनाय गासैबो प्लास बिसोरखौनो मिथिंगा अनजिमा, राइट? And all these are रुगु अनजिमा. Okay, so this is correct. गासैबो मिथिंगा अनजिमायानो रानजोबथाय अनजिमा जायो ना जाया? जायो. Yes. गासैबो रानजोबथाय अनजिमायानो मिथिंगा अनजिमा जायो ना जाया? जाया. मानोना 0 is not मिथिंगा अनजिमा, -1, -2 बिसोरो मिथिंगा अनजिमा नङा. ओंखायनो गासैबो रानजोबथाय अनजिमायानो मिथिंगा अनजिमा जानो हाया. आबुं अनजिमाफोरा रानजोबथाय अनजिमा जागोन ना जाया? आबुं अनजिमा माने होल नम्बर. होल नम्बरा नैबेनिफ्राय हे 0 निफ्राय आगदाथिं. All these numbers are called आबुं अनजिमा. तो बेयो yes, this is yes. Okay, this is yes. Remember that. All right. नोंसोरो सिगाङावनो मोनबोबाय दि दशमिक अनजिमाफोरखौ खोन्दोआव फोरमायनो हायो जेरै yes 0.7 equal to 7 divided by 10. Yes, 0.93 equal to 93 divided by 100. बेखौ मारै मोननो? 0.7 खौ मारै जों बिदियाव लिरनो हादों? बिथिं जेसेबांनाखि अनजिमा दङ बेखौनो लिरफिन. Without decimal, just 7. Means this 7. बेनिफ्राय गाहायाव मारै लिरगोन? नैबेयाव जे डेसिमाल दङ बेनि थाखाय 1 लिरदो. डेसिमालनि आगोलथिं जेसेबां अनजिमा दङ बिसोरनि थाखाय 0 0 लिरलांहो. जोंहा 7 दङ, 7 नि थाखाय 0. ओके, नैबावनो. ओके, बेबायदिनो बाव नायदो नैबेखौ 0.93 4 93 लिरबाय. बेनिफ्राय नैबाव डट दङ ना डेसिमाल बेनि थाखाय 1 लिरबाय. बेनि थाखाय 9 नि थाखाय 0 लिरबाय. 3니 थाखायबो 0 लिरबाय. ओके? बेबायदिनो बेवहाय नायदो. जेसेबां अनजिमा दङ बेखौनो लिरफिन without decimal हो माइनास 2367. ओके? दानिया 2 खौ लिरनाङा दे गाहायाव. 2 नि थाखाय जेबो नाङा. डेसिमेलनि थाखाय जोङो 1 लिरगोन. 3 नि थाखाय जोङो 0 लिरगोन. 6 नि थाखाय जोङो 0 लिरगोन. 7 नि थाखायबो जोङो 0 लिरगोन. ओके? इजि? जेनेबा 1.25 बेखौ जोङो मारै लिरनो हायो? 125 without decimal लिरदो. बेनिफ्राय गाहायाव मारै लिरगोन? नैबे डेसिमेल पॉइंटनि थाखाय 1, 2 नि थाखाय 0, 5 नि थाखाय 0. ओके? इजि? All right. रानजोबथाय अनजिमानि धोरोम properties of rational numbers. फांथोर धोरोम closure property दाजाबनायाव फांथोर धोरोम means property, closure property under addition. That means बेनि आसल definition जाहैदों नैबे this one. This is the main definition. मोननै रानजोबथाय अनजिमानि दाजाबगासेया जेब्लाबो मोनसे रानजोबथाय अनजिमा. That is the main thing. Okay, that means A plus B आबो मोनसे रानजोबथाय अनजिमा. Let me explain. अगर जुदि A आ मोनसे रानजोबथाय अनजिमा, B आबो मोनसे रानजोबथाय अनजिमा होमब्ला A plus B will be another रानजोबथाय अनजिमा C. Okay, that is the meaning of this. For example, 2 आ रानजोबथाय, right? 3 आबो रानजोबथाय. What is the sum of this? 5. Again 5 आबो मोनसे रानजोबथाय. Correct? 0.5 plus 0.5 रानजोबथाय अनजिमा, right? No, 0.5 को लायोबा एसे माबा जागोन. Let's say 4. बे मोनसे रानजोबथाय A, नैबे मोनसे B equal to what we get is 4.5. Again another रानजोबथाय अनजिमा. ओंखायनो मोननै रानजोबथाय अनजिमाखौ दाजाबगासै लायोबा मोनसे रानजोबथाय अनजिमा मोनो. That is the meaning of this. That is called closure property under additions. फांथोर धोरोम दाजाबनायाव फांथोर धोरोम. Okay? माखासे एग्जाम्पल नायनि नैबाव एग्जाम्पल दंना बेखौ खालामनि. बेखौ खालामनानै नायनि दे. 2/3 plus 6. So this is equal to 2 by 3 plus 그죠? 6 동어 가요 중에 3 있는 건데 바우 3 동나 가요 3 있는 거 그러니까 3 가요 extra 3 let 왜냐하면 그는 그죠? extra 3 let 한 거 오케이 3 extra okay now this is equal to 3 common ना 이거 add column 봐 그죠? 2 plus 6 into 3 is 18 okay so this is equal to 20 by 3 this is again a rational number all right so this one is one rational number RNA will say rational number we R1 let's say R1 this is R2 R1 plus R2 equal to some rational number maybe 3 okay rational number मोननैखौ दाजाबोब्ला मोनसे rational number मोनो that is the rule okay understood now what about this 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 बेखौ आं मारै लिरनो हाबावो now 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 into 2 2 लिखना है ना okay 1 by 8 plus 6 kayo 8 8 8 okay so this equal to 8 1 plus 6 equal to 7 by 8 okay again 비의 문제 란접의 온지마 all right okay what about this this is little complicated minus 2 by 7 plus 3 by 4 equal to kaino मिलाइथारा ना 7 dong 4 dong मिलाइथारा नंखायनो minus 2 7 गाहायाव 4 दं नानि बाव बेखौ आं 4 लिरगोन गोजौआवबो आं 4 जों सानजाबगोन ओके प्लास दाना 3 गाहायाव जोंहा 4 दंखायो गाहायाव 7 नांगौ एखे खालामनो थाखाय ओंखायनो 7 खौ लिरबाय आं ओके एखे जाबायना 28 थ' गोजौआवबो आं मोनसे 7 खौ लिरगोन ओके दानिया बे बेसेबां जाखो 28 minus 8 plus 28 minus plus 21 okay this equal to 28 8 plus 21 so this is equal to 28 so this is how much 13 okay again this is another rational numbers dan ciptain juga okay बेखौ खालामदो बेखौ खालामनानै नायदो दे बेखौ खालामनानै नाय ओके दानिया नै दानख'नायाव क्लोजर प्रपर्टी बे दाजाबनाय बायदिनो जों होनदोंना अगर A and B मोननै रानजाबथाय अनजिमा A plus B equal to C ओके बेयो जोंनि दाजाबनायाव दानख'नायाव मा जागोन A minus B again it should be C बेखौनो जों नायदों आरो ओके that is the meaning of this जेनेबा 4 3 okay well 4 3, we get 1. This is again another rational numbers. So this is always true. Okay? Bekono bini जाबाय बिनि मोनसे धोरोम property. Understood? Okay. Now let us see some example. Example, yes. नैबे example-खौ नायनि दे. नै. We have got some example. Well, A equal to minus 6, B equal to minus 9. So we are saying A minus B, right? So it will be minus 6 minus 9 equal to how much? Minus 6. This become plus 9. So this will be plus 3. Another rational numbers. Okay. All right. Here 3 minus 11 by 7. So this will be 3 minus become plus. So 11 by 7. Okay, then we kemarin lina here 3 into 7 into 7, right? Plus 11 by 7 equal to 7. We plus 21 plus 11 equal to 7. That's about 2, then 3, 32, right? 32, right? Okay. Easy? I'll recollect. What about this? This is minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Okay, then we cover it minus 1 by 4 into 3, maybe 3 correcting. Again, goes over into 3 minus 3 dungo, 1 dungo, maybe 4 correct. 4 into 4. Okay, equal to plus minus. That minus 3, 12 minus 12 goes over 4 equal to 12 minus 3 minus 4 equal to 12 minus 7. Okay. Recollect. Very easy. Very easy. Minus 1, 3 minus 1 by 2. First step-an जाहैबाय नैबे साइनखौ गोमोरहोनानै लानांगौ जे मोननै साइन दंना जोंनि मोनसेल' नांगौ. Okay, minus 1 by 3 minus plus. Okay, 1 by 2. Okay, दानिया जों बेखौ गोदानै लिरफिननोसै. Minus 1, 3 नैबे 2 दङ ओंखायनो 2 लिरगोन आं. गाहायाव 2 लिरोबा गोजौआव 2 लिरनांगोन. Plus 1 by 2. जोंनो नैबे 3 खौ नांगौ ओंखायनो गाहायाव 3 लिरगोन आं. गाहायाव 3 लिरोबा गोजौआवबो 3 लिरनांगोन. Okay. Then सानजाबदो minus 2 by 6 plus 3, 6. This is equal to what? 6 minus 2 plus 3. So this is equal to 6, 1. Okay. This is another rational numbers. Okay. Got it? Thank you. Then आगोलाव थांबावनि Ranjaptayin plus Sanjamna Panktedanai. Okay, another property. This is very interesting. This is very interesting. Okay. Chanjapnayao Panktertharum. Closure property under multiplication. I would say this is very, very important. Huh? Very, very, very important. Very, very important. Both important. This is very, very important. Okay. That means A म्हणजे ranjaptay unjima, B म्हणजे ranjaptay unjima, hamba A into B equal to C should be correct. Okay. म्हणजे ranjaptay unjima jangan. Menis sanjiptay unjima ni sanjap kasiya mense sanjiptay unjima. Okay. So this is what we are going to learn. All right. Example of 9. B म्हणजे ranjaptay, B म्हणजे ranjaptay, B ranjapniku sanjabba, mamuna jeng B mana. B म्हणजे again ranjaptay unjima, right? Power deni. Minus 2 into 0 got 0. 0 is a rational number. Ranjaptay unjima. 11 into 11 is 121. Again म्हणजे ranjaptay unjima. Okay. Easy. Makasih example dong ikon ini. Just multiply minus 5 into minus 11. Okay, so this will be this and this is basically plus, so it becomes plus 5 to 5, 55. Okay, all right. Now bikuba ini de multiplication, right? 13 into minus 11 by 7. This minus negating plus dong becomes minus, right? It becomes minus. So 13 into 11 divided by 7. How much? So we have 13 into 11, right? So you got 3, then you got 1 again, then you got 3 again 1. So how much we are getting? 3, 4, 1. 143. So minus 143 divided by 7. Okay, this again a rational number. Tanjaptay onjima. Okay. Now this one. Easy. Minus 1 divided by 4 into 4 divided by 5 equal to plus minus minus 4 into 5 is 20. Okay, again another rational numbers. Okay, what about this one? Minus 114 divided by 3 into minus 15 divided by 7 equal to, we have minus minus, this become plus. Okay, so 3 into 7 is 21. What about 14, 15? 15 into 14, so it becomes 20, so it becomes 60. Okay, then 5, then 1. If you add it, 0, 11, 2, 210, 210. This is again another rational numbers. Ranjaptay onjima. Alright. Wait, that. Very good. Nibo nebude. Run na yaw. Closure property under division. Okay. That means I have A and B. Okay. If A divided B, C. We don't know whether this is true or false. Okay. We need to find out. True bo janago, false bo janago. যদি true होनोबा closure property राननायाव closure property धोरोमखौ फालियो नङाबा फालिया. Okay, that we need to prove. बावनाय दिनै 2 divided by 6. 2 divided by 6 again this is divided by 1 by 2. So this equal to 2 divided by 6 into 2 reciprocal. You have to find out the reciprocal of this, then you get this. So this is another rational number. Divide minus 4 divided by minus 2, you get 2. Okay. Again rational number. 0 divided by 2, you get 0. Maybe interesting. Okay. 6 divided by 0 is not becoming. This is impossible. Okay. This is impossible. It's not possible. This is impossible. Okay. Now let me explain. What is this? 2 divided by 6 divided by 1 by 2. नैबाव जोंहा राननाय दं दे. बे राननायखौ जोङो multiplication खालामगोन. जों माने 2 divided by 6 into लिरनो नागिरदों. बे राननायखौ into नैबे multiplication सानजाबनाय सिन बानायोबा नैबेया गाहायाव गोजौ थांगोन, गोजौआव गाहायाव थांगोन. Okay, ओंखायनो 2आ गोजौआव थांगोन, गाहायाव 1 फैगोन. होमबा नायदो. दाना सानजाबदो. 6 into 1 is 6. 2 into 2 equal to 4. Again, मोनसे रानजोबथाय अनजिमा. Okay. All right. What about this? Way too simple. Minus 4 divided by minus 2. Maybe seen dong na? Negative becomes positive. So it becomes 4 divided by 2. So it will be 2. Okay. Another rational number. Because you मिथिखागौ 0 divided by anything is always 0. Okay? जों बेखौ मिथिखागौ. This is the most important thing. Remember this. You cannot divide anything by 0. This is impossible. So because of this property, बे धोरोमनि थाखायनो राननायाव closure property जाया. Okay? राननायाव रानजोबथाय अनजिमाया closure फांथेर धोरोमखौ मानिया. राननायाव रानजोबथाय अनजिमाया फांथेर धोरोमखौ फालिया. Closure property under division. रानजोबथाय अनजिमाया फालिया. Okay? Let's move on. ओंखायनो नैबाव लिरदों लाथिख'खौ गारनानै रानजोबथाय अनजिमाफोरा राननायाव फांथे जानाय. नङाबा राननायाव रानजोबथाय अनजिमाया फांथेर धोरोमखौ मानिया दे. गोसोआव लाखि. There will be a question. नोंसोरनि फरिखायाव question फैनो हागौ. Question जानो हागौ. Okay. नैबेखौबो खालामनानै नायदो. बेखौ खालामनो नायनि run दे 4 divided by 16 equal to 4 by 16 correct बेबो नायदो minus 49 divided by 7 equal to minus 49 49 divided by 7 equal to minus 7 right okay maybe interesting okay minus 2 by 7 divided by 3 by 4 okay जों बेखौ मा लिरनो हायो minus 2 by 7 into ulta upside down okay 4 3 so this is equal to minus 4 into 2 8 7 into 3 21 another rational numbers okay then we have finally this minus 1 by 8 divided by minus 1 by 7 because you're lucky minus minus plus okay this minus becomes plus so I multiply it 7 goes to I have 1 this is equal to 7 into 1 is 7 8 into 1 is 8 another rational numbers okay easy commutative property slightly dharm commutative means position change जानाय हैं A आरो B आ मोनसे मोननै दाजाबथाय अनजिमा एबा दाजाबनायाव commutative means A plus B plus A position change जादों हैं नैबे आगोलाव first position मोन ना ये first position मोन नैबे second position ओमफ्राय मा खालामदों नैबे first position जादों बे second position थांदों बेखौनो दाजाबनायाव slightly धोरोम होनो okay दाजाबनायाव now we don't know sorry now actually we don't know whether this is true or false okay be it true बो जानो हागौ false बो जानो हागौ बेखौ दाजाबनायाव होनो दानख'नायाव मा जागोन A minus B equal to B minus A sorry B minus A position change okay बेबायदिनो बे जाबाय दानख'नायाव थास्लायलि नैबे सानजाबनायाव A into B equal to B into A बेखौबो जों मिथिया true ना false okay बेखौबो जों मिथिया true ना false बेबायदिनो राननायावबो A divided by B divided by A बेखौ जों मिथिया बेखौनो बुङो commutative property दाजाबनायाव दानख'नायाव सानजाबनायाव राननायाव okay let me tell you more about true okay let me tell you this is true okay this is true this is not true this is false this one is true okay this one is true sanjamnewa true आरो नैबे बे जाया दे this is not correct this is false okay this is false सुंदयै बिदिनो आरो गोसोआव लाखि commutative property नि रानजोबथाय अनजिमानि धोरोमा दाजाबथायाव Tajab true, Tankoneo false, Sanjamneo true, Ranneo false. Okay. Example ini, Tajabneo. 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2, right? It is always 2. Okay. You take any number. J number ko na lanang babi P minimum katar. Okay. That is called Dajabneo community property. Okay. Maka say example do ni simple. Please do that. Very simple. Position change column 9 Dajab. Okay. What about Dan Konai? Dan Konai false hai kuso lucky. Dan Konai false second nai. Simple example ini 5 2. Beneath Dan Konai 5 minus 2 you'll get 3. But 2 minus 5 what you'll get is minus 3. So they are not equal. So A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Okay. It's not always true. That is the meaning of this. Okay. Because kalam nan nahi de. Very easy. Very easy. Okay. Now sanjab nayo. Yeah, sanjab nayo ek hi hai. Okay. A into B. That means A into B equal to B into A. Which is correct. Okay. Like 3 into 2 equal to 2 into 3. This is always correct. Okay. Money. That is the meaning of this. Yeleni. Okay. Because column 9. Alright. Now run now commutative. This is not following. Okay. Run now commutative jahade. Simple example. 4 divided by 2 is not equal to 2 divided 4, right? Iki na. We are 2 nibo moment 2 divided by 4 which is not equal to 2. Okay. That is the meaning of this. Ni ko kalam na ito ni. Ni ko na ini. Okay, is it? Three divided by 15 equal to 3 by 15. Then 15 divided by 3 you get 5. So these two are not same, right? They are not same. Okay. Similarly, yeah, this 7 4 divided by 1 sorry. Okay, 7 4 divided by 1 you get actually 7 by 4, but 1 divided by 7 by 4 what you get is 4 by 7. Correct? Ulta. Because this is same as 1 into बनेगा देखो मैंने फिर उल्टा कलम 4 का जो थंगन 7 का है which is actually 4 by 7. Okay. Understood? All right, let us move on. Danya ta jothai theorem associative What is the meaning of associative? This is the meaning of this associative. Okay, माने मोनसे A B ओमफ्राय C जायोबा आरो A plus B plus C बे मोनसे association equal to A plus B plus C जागोन होनदों. Okay, that means अगर let's say A equal to 2, B equal to 3, C equal to 4. So A, not A, okay. Let's say this is 2 plus 3 plus 4. What we get? 2 plus 3 plus 7 equal to 9. Okay. On the other side, association money about 2 plus 3 plus 4. What we get? This is 5. This is 4. Again, we get 9. So this 9 and this 9 are equal or same. Okay, that is called association. Now, using the same concept, okay, using the same concept under subtraction of column naidide, subtraction of column naideni, okay, subtraction of column naide, okay, this, but very interesting, this formula. Remember this. Subtraction of mania, the associative property of mania. This is the meaning of this. A minus B minus C is not same as A minus B bracket B minus C. Okay, they are not same. Remember this. Okay. 매외전에 산잡내요. 산잡내요 만이긴 해. 산잡내요. It will be same. 산잡내요 it will be same. Okay. 산잡내요 it will be same. 산잡내요 it will be same. नहीं. Bracket A into B, bracket close into C equal to A into bracket B into C. संजमनीय मानिए, okay? Remember that. Then you run new mania day. It doesn't follow. Run new mania, okay? Run new mania. We can't need any. Association. Run day. Okay, be mania day. It doesn't follow. It doesn't follow, okay? It doesn't follow. Melanie. It will not follow. See this. Not equal to A divided by B bracket close divided by C is not equal to A divided by B bracket B divided by C bracket. Mania de. Mania Kasholakshi. Finally, we have this. Maybe table Kugosolakshi. This table is very interesting. 방태드림 closure property. 다잡 단코 아래 산잡네요 방티잖아요. 란네요 방티잖아요. Okay. Doesn't have closure property because 0 다잡네요 단코네요 아래 산잡네요 방티잖아요. 방태드림코 벌리긴 나타이 란네요 방티잖아요. 고소동어 란네요만 방태라야 is 4 divided by 0 is meaningless. Okay, that is why it doesn't follow. Okay, remember that. Slightly positional change. दाजाबनाय आरो सानजाबनायाव मानियो हो दानख'नाय आरो दानख'नाय राननायाव जाया remember this दाजाबनाय सानजाबनायाव मानिगोन नाथाय दानख'नाय आरो राननायाव मानिया था जथाय लिमिट associative दाजाबनाय आरो सानजाबनायाव मानियो दानख' आरो राननायाव मानिया that is very interesting okay remember this table all right दानिया थासारथाय धोरोम distributive law the most important law आंनि बादिब्ला this is the most important law जोङो रग' अनजिमानि आयदायाव माने integer आयदायाव जों मिथिखादों a into bracket b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c a into bracket b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. That means what we are doing is this बेजों multiply खालाम बेखौ मोनगोन correct बेनिफ्राय जोंहा plus sign दङ नैबे plus signखौ होदो बेनिफ्राय बेखौ आर बेजों multiply खालामबावदो नैबेलाय बेखौ मोनगोन okay for example 2 into 4 plus 3 okay this can be written as 2 into 4 this and this when you know plus sign dong plus again 2 into 3 okay maybe 2 are common for 4 common for 3 as well है ना वे 2 are common नंखायनो बेखौ साननो हायो 2 into 4 is 8 plus 2 into 3 is 6 this is equal to how much 14 right this is equal to 14 नोङो बेखौनो सिदा डाइरेक्ट खालामबा मोनगोन 2 into 4 plus 3 equal to 7 so this is equal to 14 okay this and this two are same okay all right add नायबावनि दे 2 into 400 okay this is equal to 2 into 102 plus 2 into 400 right so this is equal to 204 plus 800 right so this is equal to how much 4 0 10 right okay this is called distributive law बेखौनो थासारथाय धोरोम होनो very important very important नोङो नोंसोरो गोजौ थाखोआव थाङोबा सनाफोर नैबेबायदि मोनो a plus b square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square okay बेबायदि मोनगोन बेखौनो फर्मुला मारै ओंखारदों बेयो this is actually a plus b into a plus b okay बेखौ जोङो बिदि लिरनो हायो okay बेखौ सल्भ खालामोब्ला नैबेखौ मोनगोन जों बेखौ okay so this is one of the most important law tasartai theorem, distributive law. Okay. Then any example ko nahi de. 3 by 4 into bracket minus 2 by 5 plus 5 by 6. Okay. Now, then any we can go simplify column sini. Okay. Biku column ba, biku sanjana meneba, nebati biku mengen. Okay. And finally, jeng biku minchikago. Finally, you'll get this, then you get this. This is without using this law. But distributive law ko bahaya kite. Direct, ये direct ni biku bahai ding biku bahaya kai. Danya biku bahai nani nahi ni de. Okay. Wow nahi de ni. But distributive law ko bahai ding. Okay. Be manne ko sanjung ding. Benefit dazap, benefit sanjap. Monoset dazap. Okay. 3 divided 4 into minus 2 by 5. You'll get 3 into 2 minus 2. You'll get 6. 4 into 5, 20 plus 3, 4. 3 by 4 into 5 is 6. You'll get this. And you'll get 24 here. Now, you have to find out the LCM of this. Division. Division agasar. Because division agasar sanjap thai. We actually LCM, lowest common multiple. Okay, 120. With 120 lowest common multiple. Because in a simplify column finally you will get this. Okay, this equal to agalo jeng column kabaina. Agalo nigo. This is same, right? This is same. Okay, 39 by 120, 39 by 120. Therefore, this equal to this. Okay. So finally, what we need to remember is navy formula. Navy formula ko seleksi. Navy formula. Okay. Tan ko nebu same. Okay. Sinalo salige. Tan ko nebu. A into B minus C equal to A into B minus A into C. Nahi below saligi nibe. If it is positive, you get plus. If it is negative, you get negative. Based on here. Okay. So very, very important. Okay. Niku kalam nanti kaini ranjiptai unjima makasia daza moru dan kuni sayo tasanai derum maniena kalam nani nai. Okay. Nei biko ese sanan nai ni distributive local bahai nani nai ba mangan minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6. Okay. So this is equal to minus 3 by 4 into Penny LCM ko banegi hai. What is the LCM of 3 and 6? 3 and 6 ni LCM besi bang. 3 a common lagan. 3, 2. So LCM is equal to 3, 1, 2, which is basically 6. So you get LCM 6. This 6 ko dana 3 is in rande 2 mungan. So 2 into 2 be 2, 2. मोनदोंना ओके प्लास 6 खौ नैबे 6 खौ 6 जों रानोबा 1 आनो मोनखागोन so 5 into 1 okay so this is equal to minus 3 by 4 into गाहायाव 6 आनो 4 plus 5 correct 5 so this is equal to times up to 24 25 by 3 into we जागोन 9 so this is equal to 24 minus 27 okay this number दानिया जोङो थासारनाय धोरोमजों बेखौ प्रुफ खालामगोन okay so मारै लिरनो हायो जोङो minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6 okay थासारनाय धोरोमखौ लानानै मारै लिरनो हाबफिनो बेखौ this equal to minus 3 divided 4 into 2 divided by 3 plus बेनिफ्राय नै बे minus दे minus 3 divided by 4 into 5 by 6 right equal to गाहायनि सानजाबदो 12 गोजौनि सानजाबदो 6 नैबाव प्लास बे माइनास प्लास माइनास माइनास राइट ओके गाहायनि सानजाबदो 4 into 6 24 गोजौनि सानजाबदो 3 into 5 15 ओके दानिया 12 आरो 24 नि एलसीएम खौ जों मिथिखागौ राइट 12 and 24 नि एलसीएम 12 जों थाङोबा मा मोनगोन 1 divided 2 so LCM is 12 into 1 into 2 which is equally 24 okay so here LCM is 24 24 को minus 6 into 24 को 12 जों रानोबा बेसेबां मोनगोन 2 okay गोजौआव दङ minus okay 15 okay 24 को 24 जों रानोबा 1 okay so this equal to मा जाखो 24 this is 12 minus 15 equal to 24 minus 27 बे अनजिमाखौ जों आगोलावबो मोनदों बेखायनो नैबेयो दाजाबनायाव थासारथाय धोरोमखौ मानियो it is proof alright we'll move on दानिया नोंसोर सनाफोरा नैबे दानख'नायखौ नायदो दानख'नायखौ खालामनानै नायदो दानख'नायखौ खालामनानै okay thank you Dazablita means additive identity. These are very simple properties. We don't need to do anything. Bara kalamabu jai simple tar. Mane 0 becomes mane a plus something equal to you have something a. Okay. बेयाव मा ना अनजिमाखौ होयोबा बिसोर समान जागोन बेखौनो एडिटिव आइडेन्टिटी होनो very simple a plus 0 equal to 0 plus a right that means you say 2 plus 0 equal to 0 plus 2 very simple okay नैबेखौल' गोसोआव लाखिदै लाथिख'आ दाजाबलिथाबिथा additive identity okay additive identity मानोना नैबेनो जाहैदों फर्मुला गोसोआव लाखिदो 0 जाबाय दाजाबलि था बिथा Additive Identity. Moving on. सानजाबथाय था बिथा बेबो गोरलै सानजाबथायनि था बिथा Multiplicative Identity. That means A into something equal to something into A. Okay, definitely it is 1. Correct? 2 into 1 equal to 1 into 2. Okay, so ओंखायनो बे फर्मुलाखौ गोसोआव लाखिबानो जाबाय. Okay, बे फर्मुलाखौ गोसोआव लाखिबानो जाबाय. Okay, these are very easy topic to understand. नैबे जिनिसखौ गोसोआव लाखि सेखौ रानजोबथाय अनजिमानि थाखाय सानजाबनाय थाबिथा बुंनाय जायो Multiplicative Identity. बेखौल' गोसोआव लाखि. Okay, गोसोआव लाखि. Easy to understand. Moving on. दाजाबथाय था उल्था बेबो easy. Additive Inverse आगोलाव Identity होनदोंमोन, right? Identity मा जायो? A plus something equal to something plus A, right? Okay. दाना मा जादों? A plus something equal to 0. Inverse. Okay. Okay, गोसोआव लाखि. So उल्टा जानांगौ. तो A plus something equal to 0. Okay, मारै 0 जागोन? 2 plus something equal to 0. So what is the value here? So 2 plus minus 2 will be 0, right? Okay, just negative. Okay, just negative. Easy to understand. Naive formula. A plus minus A is 0. Okay, just remember this. Because additive inverse. We'll move on. Alright. Now we go BA. What is दाजाबलि था उल्टा? बिनि दाजाबलि था उल्टाया मा जागोन? Easy, right? This will be minus 6 by 9. Correct? आरो बिनि दाजाबलि था उल्टा जागोन. बियो माइनास मोनथ' प्लास जागोन. Sorry, this is not 9. This is divided by 1/5. Okay? बेखौनो दाजाबलि था उल्टा. बे मोननै अनजिमाखौ दाजाबोबा लाथिख' मोननांगौ. होमबानो बेखौनो दाजाबलि था उल्टा होनो. Okay? Alright. We'll move on. Yeah, this is important. Okay? सानजाबलि था उल्टा Multiplicative Inverse. बे जाहैबाय you have a number मोनसे अनजिमा दं बेखौ माजों सानजाबोबा सानजाबगासेया 1 जागोन. बेयो important. Okay? बेयो important. बावदोनैनि 7 मोन 7 खौ बेजों सानजाबोबा जों 1 मोनो, right? Okay? That is what it is. So this is something like this. A into 1 by A is always 1. So this is known as multiplicative inverse. Sanjabli ta ulta. Okay, easy to understand. But there is one terminology here. Reciprocal vernacular. Okay, reciprocal. They say any reciprocal is I 1 by A. This is A. Okay. 5 ni reciprocal is I by 1 by 5. 1 by 6 ni reciprocal is I by 6. Okay. 2 by 3 ni reciprocal is I by 3 by 2. Just ulta, reverse, upside down. 이거는 산잡리 타 울타. 발이 울타 버네 보르니니. 발이 울타 버네. 영어가 이거 산잡리 타 울타. 니 someone li sedewa pari ulta bone. Reciprocal 영어가 이건 산잡리 타 울타네. 6 ni 산잡리 타 울타. Just reverse 1 by 6. Okay. Minus 9 ni 산잡리 타. 마코 산잡리 받은. So this will be minus 1 by 9. Okay. 2 by 3 is tha. This is 3 by 2. Right? Okay. Let us move on. No move. Okay. What is Sanjabli? When is Sanjabli tha ulta as I by minus one to minus gojo 5 minto kayo 7. So 7 by 7 by 5. Okay. Ina 1 by 7 minto. So it will be 7 1 basically 7. Okay. Ulta. Just ulta. उल्टा लेने दूं कहीं उल्टा संजब लेते हैं किस होता संजब लीटा उल्टा okay all right we'll move on easy to understand all right nebe mountain tiko nai ni be mountain tiko nai ni okay 언지만이 धर्म 바이나니 만 디훈 मन से 언지마 동자lai o se nei tam bre ba okay let us work on this bao मोजाङै नायबा नुगोन जोङो मा बेयो मोनसे सानजाबनाय बेनिफ्राय जोंहा दङ नेगेटिभ ओमफ्राय नैबे मोनसेबो सानजाबनाय राइट so बेखौ डिस्ट्रिबिउटिभआव नुनो मोनगोन रा डिस्ट्रिबिउटिभ ल डिस्ट्रिबिउटिभ ल'आव नुनो मोनगोन okay ल correct मानोना what is common 2 by 5 is common right 2 by 5 neighbor common neighbor common okay ओंखायनो बाव लिरदों नै 2 by 5 into minus 2 7 this बेखौ मोनसे associative बानायदों okay this is like associative okay alright बेनिफ्राय बेखौ बाहेरायाव दोनदों बेनि उनाव आरो नैबाव नायदो नै बेयो जाबाय थासारनाय distributive law लाबोफिनदों नैबेखौ correct 2 by 5 common ना बे common ओंखायनो बेखौ बाहेरायाव लाबोदों सिङाव थाबाय बियो बेनिफ्राय नैबे okay बेनि उनाव मा खालामदों बेखौ सिम्प्लिफाइ खालामदों okay बेखौ सिम्प्लिफाइ खालामबा मा मोनगोन 7 ना LCM ना 7 so minus 2 minus 3 मोनबाय okay बेनि उनाव मा जागोन minus 5 बेखौ minus 2 minus 3 equal to minus 5 okay नैखौ मोनबाय okay alright दानिया नैबाव नायदो 7 minus 2 by 7 minus 1 by 12. 7 और 12 में एलसीएम बनाइनगर्ने दुइसिन माने आगोसार सानजोबथाय हायखिया जाबाय 84 मानोना 7 12 जेबो कमन गैया हो ओंखायनो 7 into 12 खालामोबासो जों मोनगोन ओके 14 1 7 8 84 84 is the LCM okay 84 is the LCM this is the LCM बेनिफ्राय मारै 31 मोनखो बेलाय 24 minus 7 you get minus 31 this is the answer okay this is the answer दाजाबली था उल्टा माने मा दाजाबली था उल्टा inverse additive inverse additive inverse meaning I have something A plus something equal to 0 right so this is basically A plus minus A equal to 0 meaning minus naginnago entire thing we have to find out the negative okay maybe because C double in high okay because Marishida in again minus 2 into 5 by 7 bracket because jangan kadang A plus minus A so A minus this is A this entire thing is A okay this entire thing is A so minus A so this is basically minus minus plus so this into 5 by 7 this is the Dazabli Taul Town Jima. Okay, because simplify kalama dengan navy pun. Okay, so this is very easy, very easy. Let us move on. At tane bini ulta, ta ulta le. Very easy. We sanjabli sen de. Sanjabli mani A into something here equal to 1. So rule is A into 1 by A equal to 1. Okay. So जोंनि A माबेलाय A नै 2 into 6 7 okay so this can be written as 12 by 7 बेनि उल्टा लिरनांगौ उल्टा लिरोबा मा जायो 7 आ गोजौआव थांगोन गाहायाव फैगोन 12 बेनिफ्राय नेगेटिभ साइन बेनो जाबाय सानजाबलि था उल्टा okay this is the rule okay